Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of building an HTML5 ad using Google Web Designer. Let's recap on what we've created so far in part 1. So we've animated the line shapes, added the logo, and made the high level statement fly in. Excellent, now let's carry on. First I'm going to add 2 keyframes to this layer so we can make it fly up and scale down at the same time. Awesome! Now to import my image. This image will fly out from the bottom as the text moves up. Now we're going to make the text fade out by typing 0 in the filled field, and then push this image off the screen so we can make room for the next frame. Great, now we're going to import the new text and resize it to fit within the frame. I'm going to use the same scaling animation that we used in the circles in the part 1 video. We want to import all the images that we'll be sliding through. I then reposition them so I know exactly where they'll start and rename them. Before animating these icons, I'm going to create 2 orange rectangles to cover the edges. This hides icons when they slide through. As you can see, the icons and text are too big for this space, so we're going to move the lines down to make it fit. Great! There will be 4 keyframes in total, for the beginning, middle and end. I'm just fixing the orange rectangle as it's not wide enough to hide the sides. For the last image, instead of having it sliding off the screen, I'm going to have it fade out by changing the fill to 0. And for the title text, I'm going to scale it down so it disappears. Now for the final screen, I'm going to import the title text, Hot tip, you can select all keyframes and change the easing options. I set this to ease in, out, which creates a smoother transition. Lastly, for this frame, we bring in the button so it prompts the viewer to click on the ad. Let's preview the whole ad to see how it's looking. That's looking perfect. Now for the final touches. We want this ad to loop twice. We do this by adding a label at the beginning of the time frame and calling it loop. Then I move the slider to the point where we want the ad to repeat. Click on the event icon and proceed to change the options. Let's test to see if this loops. Yep, that's working great. Now for the final touch. We want the whole ad to be clickable, so let's drag the tap area component and make it the size of the whole ad and have it overlay everything. We then right click on the component to change the settings. In configuration, you can add your own metrics ID and URL. Now let's see if this works. Perfect. And it's that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and feel ready to build your own HTML5 ad using Google Web Designer. If you have any questions, put them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.